kapatid na Charmaine ngayon. Nice kong tawagin. No? Magbigay yung testimony before I end dito. Welcome, sister.
Una po sa lahat, good morning. I was, before they called me Ning, but now I've changed it. My name is Ma'am Char. And I always magnify joy. I was here, I remember, talaga, dinala ko ni ate dito, tapos tumitingin kami sa cross. Pero hindi talaga ako makatingin kasi I was wicked. Sobrang sama ko talaga. I admitted it to God. I surrendered it. I saw it in the Bible, in His words. Sabi niya kasi there are wicked people, which is me, and I became one. But it wasn't intentionally. Kasi talaga, before, I am full of love because of my dad. He made me grow. Inalagaan niya kami. My dad is kind. But then, ayun nga, because of relationship, hindi kasi siya naging ayos yung relationship namin. Nagkasakit yung papa ko, but then God is faithful. After that, nung mga time na I remember, kasi last 2 years ago, namatay si papa. But nagtatanong po ako kay Lord, sabi ko, why? Bakit namatay? Eh, nagsiserve na naman kasi church. And I have a relationship with you. But then, God told me, don't put me in the box. I am God. And I will do what I will going to do in your life. And I said, oh nga pa naman, sorry again, Lord. There are many struggles, but the only thing of living at the giving testimony is to be consistent with the Lord. Ang mahirap to deny your characteristic every day, to be more like Jesus. Sobrang hirap, but ayun, I'm trying to be a better mom, a better person, and of course, trying to find the purpose in our life every single day. Because God is faithful, and He will remain faithful. I love this church kasi I remember everything si Pastor Buddy. So, thank you, Lord. And si Sister Nancy, and yung mga dati namin ka-church, sila Pastor As, sila Ate John, hindi lang siguro, sabi naman, God will always work things together for good. So, our relationship didn't end up very well, but I know that it's only because of the Lord. And He's the one that we need to glorify. Si Lord lang talaga. I mean, talagang sabi ni Pastor Buddy, we have to let go of our past, not just a day, but every single day. We have to choose to be with the Lord. Because God is faithful. He is always faithful. Kung alam lang ng bawat isa kung gano'n talaga mahal ni Lord. Alam niyo ba, dati kasi di ba sabi ko, I was wicked. Nag-iinom ako, nagda-drugs, nagpa-party, and I'm living in a worldly way. Akala ko that is life. I thought it's life. But then, God humbled me and bring me where I am. Kaya sabi niya, Char, this is not your way. This is your will. This is should be. You have to align yourself with me. Kasi I love you. And then, I heard, narinig ko talaga si Lord he whispered in my ear. Kasi si Thomas, he was there at the hospital nung mga time na nabit-press ako. I got hurt physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually damaged. But then, God is faithful. My brother Thomas was there and also the family church here. Thank you so much. And, ayun, Thomas is playing the music talaga as in sobrang lagang. Araw-araw niya akong pinipay ng worship song. Then, later, nakita ko yung vision ni Lord eh. Sabi niya, we're still gonna live for the glory of God. It's not their own life. And all of us, He will humble us. I don't know when, but I'm sure we will always meet Him at the right time. And He has His own time. Diba, everything happens, everything God's time is beautiful. Hindi natin pwedeng ipilit yung gusto natin. But I know that God understands us. Kasi sobrang stubborn ng mga tao eh, diba? We're like a sheep. Pag sinabi mo, this is the way that I want, but God will always, no, diba? Sabi nga sa Psalms 23, the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. And even David, diba? He's also stubborn. But God will always correct us because He loves us. And His love will always be the one to glorify. And because of love, thank you for all the love. Thank you for all the care when I was in the hospital. Hindi ko pa naaalala lahat-lahat. But then I saw Kuya Jake sa baba. I remember he was there, Pastor Buddy. Kasi parang pinag-pray niyo ako doon sa ano eh. And believe me, the living will work 24 hours. 48 hours, yeah. Because He's real, the God's Spirit is real. But it depends on you if you're gonna magnify Him. That's the why every day you have to magnify Jesus. God is so faithful. He has given us a will every day. Char, do you want to choose good or do you want to choose bad? Because there are only two things that we can hear. when you wake up in the morning, pwede na sabihin ni Lord na, I love you, are you going to follow me? Or you're gonna follow your flesh, right? Pero yun, but then, we have to commit ourselves, di ba? Sabi nga, love is unconditional commitment, right? So we have to commit every day to God. And even to the people around us. So Pastor Buddy is right, we need to fix our eyes on Jesus, we need to fix our eyes on the Lord, who is our Creator, and to the people around us, the relationship with God. Kasi naniniwala ko pag mabuti ka sa Panginoon at ayos yung relationship mo sa Kanya, everything you need will added into your life. Diba? In Matthew 6 verse 36. Sobrang faithful ni Lord. Salamat Lord kung hindi dahil sa'yo, hindi ako makakarating dito sa wherever I am right now. Now, I surrendered public dad. Kasi sabi ni Lord, surrender mo na siya. He is not from, hindi siya para sa'yo eh. It's hard. Kasi pati yung motto na binigay niya, I surrendered it, I surrendered him, I surrendered everything to God. But then, God is faithful. Now, I surrendered one person, but He added 3 in my life. It's only one that I surrendered, but He added 3. Sabi nga nila, di ba? Multiply. Multiply. Whatever I give you, you multiply. And now, I can multiply the love. I'm a vlogger, and I'm sharing Jesus online. And wherever I go, even kanina sa Grab driver, I shared Jesus. And they were crying. Sabi, wow, God is so good. Like, sabi niya yung wife niya is sick. And I said, I was sick. I told my story. I said, Mom, you're the angel. You're the angel of God. I was waiting for it. Then I said that's who I am. I'm so bad. I'm wicked. I'm so wicked. Sobra talaga yung, wicked. I mean, it's real. It can happen. And even now, mas grabe yung mga nangyayari. Diba? Nag-depress sila, tumatalo sa building. But always, God is faithful. And that's all. Thank you, everyone.